Most people believe you need money to make money, but that's not true. Every wealthy person you see today started from a point where they had almost nothing. Just time, discipline, and the right mindset. In this video, we'll break down exactly how you can start building wealth from zero, even if you're broke right now. Step 1. Control what you have. The first step to wealth isn't investing, it's control. You cannot build wealth if you don't know where your money goes. Think of money like water. If your bucket has holes, wasteful spending, impulse buying, subscriptions you don't use, it doesn't matter how much you pour in. It will always leak out. For the next 30 days, track every single expense. Use apps like Mint, Notion, or just your phone's notes. Once you see your spending habits clearly, cut what doesn't serve your goals. Do you really need that daily $4 coffee? Or can that money go into a savings or investment fund? The goal isn't to feel restricted, it's to take control. You can't direct what you don't detect. Step 2. Build an emergency cushion. Once you've controlled your spending, your next mission is security. Life is unpredictable. Medical bills, job loss, car issues. Without a financial cushion, one small emergency can wipe out your progress. Start with a simple goal. Save at least $500 as your emergency fund. Once you hit that, aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. This money is not for shopping or investing. It's your financial shield. Having that safety net gives you peace of mind. And peace of mind is the foundation of wealth, because you make better decisions when you're not stressed about surviving. Step 3. Increase your income. Saving alone will not make you rich. To build wealth, you must increase your income. The world rewards value, not effort. So the question is, how can you make yourself more valuable? Learn a skill that people need. In today's world, you can learn almost anything for free. Copywriting, video editing, digital marketing, coding, public speaking, sales. These are skills that can double or triple your income over time. If you have a job, focus on being so good that you become irreplaceable. If you're unemployed, start freelancing online, reselling products, or creating content. The point is, wealth starts when your income grows faster than your lifestyle. So every time your earnings increase, don't increase your spending. Increase your savings and investments. Step 4. Start investing small. Once you've stabilized your income and built some savings, it's time to make your money work for you. Start small, even $10 a week. The amount doesn't matter. The habit does. Focus on simple, low-cost investments like index funds or ETFs. These funds automatically invest your money in hundreds of companies, giving you instant diversification and steady long-term growth. You can use apps like Robinhood, eToro, or local equivalents. If you're in a country with limited options, explore unit trusts or government bonds. Remember this: wealth isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich sure. And the earlier you start, the more compounding works in your favor. Compounding means your money makes money, and that money makes even more money, quietly, in the background, while you sleep. Step 5. Build long-term habits. The most powerful wealth-building tool isn't the stock market. It's your habits. The rich don't think in days, they think in decades. They invest time, not just money. They read. They learn. They stay disciplined even when no one is watching. Wealth is built through patience, not luck. It's not about making a lot once. It's about making a little consistently and never stopping. Remember, discipline today gives you freedom tomorrow. Now that all these steps are on your fingertips, we would like to conclude this video by saying, every financial journey starts with one decision. The decision to take control. You don't need a rich background. You don't need luck. need a plan and the discipline to follow it. If this video inspired you to take your first step toward financial freedom, subscribe to WealthSphere, an abode for futuristic billionaires. Because here, we don't just talk about money, we learn how to make it work for us. WealthSphere. Invest smart, grow rich.